I have a new AI project for you today, and if you just stay till the end of this video, you're going to watch me actually buy some of the tokens to show you that not only am I getting involved in this, but the link down below is going to give you a huge promo code so you can get some extra crypto in your portfolio. So guys, let's get straight into what I've got after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. Let's go. So here it is, it's borrowfinance.ai. Guys, empowering Web3 growth with the AI-powered funding. Now, let me tell you a little bit about what it is before I actually dive into buying some of this token. So this is a revolutionary AI-powered funding marketplace that helps Web3 participants unlock capital by selling future earnings from subscriptions, invoices, royalties, and more for instant cash flow. So how does this work? We've got the community, which creates value of the internet when they submit a video, level up in a game, search for something online, track their work out, so the community is the best place to fund its own growth. We have the whole entire ecosystem built to scale. So there's very simple tools. There's very simple tools to help adoption and integration, including user-friendly crypto and fiat payments with withdrawal solutions, integration and tools and business are currently using, including accounting software and more. And of course, the Web3 focus side of this, okay? The Borroe solution can benefit several participations in the Web3 ecosystem, including social media influencers, other subscription-based content services, podcast articles, videos, things like that. Everything within the Web3 gaming, royalty distribution platforms, creators and musicians, and identify verification and management platforms, with a lot more. Guys, we have all the white paper, okay? If you want to have a read through the white paper, again, make sure you use that link down below. Not only are you going to get a promo, but it's the official link, okay? Only use trusted links. Go through all of this, okay? Have a look exactly why I am bringing this to you today with your own research, okay? Don't just listen to what I'm saying, but if you do want to just listen to what I'm saying, this is a must get into solution, and I'm going to show you me get into it very soon. So what is the need for this project? So the challenge is Web3 actually represents the next evolution of the internet where value is rightfully shared with its creators, and it's clear the legacy systems used by traditional funding providers are no longer suited. Why is that? High costs, lack of automation, no confidentiality, increased possibilities of fraud, compliance restraints, no real-time tracking of invoices, poor security, lengthy approval processes. Now, Borroe took all of these big factors that people are scared of, that people get burnt, that people don't want to be a part of this industry for, and they brought the solution. So with Borroe, you can actually quickly raise upfront cash by minting non-fungible tokens, NFTs. We know how big NFTs got last year, representing future and outstanding invoices and fees, which is actually sold at a discount price at the market pace. The AI-driven platform utilizes cryptocurrency blockchain tokenization, smart contracts to enable a faster and more efficient working capital raising process. So now you have a lot of information, okay? But you have the solution, you have everything about it. How does it actually work? Like I just said, it is working with the NFTs directly, okay, on the secondary market, fostering and truly peer-to-peer ecosystem. Now, you can use this to invoice sellers, like it says here, okay? You have a seller sign-up, revenue type, and the Borroe terms. You can use this inside the marketplace where you can get rating scores, tokenization certificates, listed and published, and invoicing the buyer. Loads of different ways, and guys, please watch this to have a more in-depth connection with what exactly is going on here, but I want to show you how excited I am. I'm going to join the pre-sale right now to show you that, and now I'm going to buy some of this token. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is connect our wallet up at the top, okay? I've got my MetaMask open, it's connected. I've got my BNB ready, which is the token that you need, okay? Because I do recommend using BNB. If you want to use ETH, USDT, USDC here, or your card, you can get in like that. But I just love the BNB network, all right? Bet20 is by far the best in my eyes. So I'm going to buy some right now. Guys, I'm going to buy $99 worth of this token, okay? I'm going to use my BNB. I'm going to provide an email for the secondary wallet. Okay, guys, and if you want a special promo code, please make sure you write INF04. That is INF and then the 04, okay? INF04. I'm going to apply that right now, and you're going to see this green tick come up. That is the promo code sorted out. What I'm going to do now, guys, is buy this token. Okay, and then just click the buy button, and you're going to go through here. Okay, it's going to take you through to your MetaMask. I'm going to confirm this transaction. And here we go. Don't worry about this screen, okay, because it is just going to load through. Okay, guys, once you've done that, just come back to the home page, check your MetaMask, and you will see this has been confirmed. I have paid $99 to get this token. So now we've got some of the token, guys. Let's go and have a look at their social media, okay? It has absolutely popping off, okay? If you go to their Twitter, you're going to see they have 15.1 thousand followers. Guys, they only joined this year. That's incredible. They're getting up to 17,000 on engagement on their posts. You go through them, big engagement all the way through. I absolutely love that. Give them a huge follow. Let them know you're from this channel. That just like that, okay? And support the business. Again, remember that promo code INFO4 is INF04, and you're going to get a 20% bonus. Now we've bought our token, guys. I want to go through some of the tokenomics. Now, here's the contract address that is going to be underneath with the link with my promo code. Okay, the market name is Borroe, the market symbol ROE. Supply of tokens is 1 billion. And Polygon Ethereum sidechain is the tag type with 8 decimals. Now, going into the public, okay, 50% with linear vesting within 3 months after TGE. Going through to the treasurer, 10%, team 5%, awards 2.5%, partners 2.5%, marketing 10%, stock exchange listing 10%, liquidity pool 10%. Some of the features and benefits just from an overview, okay? We got the notification center with priority notifications of new sales and reapplications financing. We have the reduced fees with a marketplace discounts and any related transaction fees are there. The premium features to access all of them. Awards and incentives where you can actually start earning, share to earn on social media, recognition and awards for shopper participation in the marketplace, and membership in management. Allows members to vote on certain topics and get rewarded for doing so. A bit like a DAO. Okay, with their roadmap, they've gone through the release into the development and now the community with launch and the growth coming up. Guys, I'm super excited about this. Okay, it's based on Ethereum, MetaMask, Coinbase, Trust Wallet. You just saw I bought off MetaMask. It works perfectly fine instantly. Some of their teams, go on their LinkedIn, make sure you do research them, okay? They know exactly what it takes to get a company to where it needs to be. And join all their socials. I've showed you their Twitter, but please go into their Telegram, their Discord, and everything like that. So guys, if you look on the website right now, you can see it says I have 6,788 tokens. Very excited about being a part of this. Again, make sure you hit that link down below. All in all, guys, I think this project is absolutely fantastic. That's why I had to get in and help promote this project. That link down below is going to give you a 20% bonus. That's insane. I have 6,700 plus coins already. Guys, I only spent 99 bucks, all right? Make sure you do your own research always on these videos, but this project is definitely the one I'm looking to end 2023 as strong as possible with. Do me a huge favor, join me on this, hitting that link down below. Let me know in the comments if you get involved. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified about the next project to get, or if you want an update on this project to see how well it went, and I'll see you next time.